Good morning, everyone. Welcome you again to the online classes. This class is for class 12, and we are doing the miscellaneous problem from this chapter. Today we'll solve few more problem from this exercise. Okay, so let's start from question number 9. So question number 9 is evaluate x, y, x plus y, y, x plus y, x, x plus y, x, y. We have to evaluate this determinant. Okay, so first do a operation. C1 dot equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 dash equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if we add the corresponding element of C1 with the other column, so x plus y plus x plus y, which is equal to 2 into x plus y, x plus y. Second row will be again 2 into x plus y, x plus y, x, and the third row will be 2 into x plus y, x, y. Now you can see that from the first column we can take 2 into x plus y common. So 2 into x plus y, take it common. So 1, 1, 1, y, x plus y, x, x plus y, x and y. Okay, now that means delta equal to 2 into x plus y. Okay, now apply one more operation. R2 dot equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 dot equal to R3 minus R1. So first column will be unchanged. 1, 1, y, x plus y. That will be 0, x minus of y, 0, x minus y, and this is minus x. Now if you expand the determinant along the first column, then we have 2 into x plus y into, this is minus x square plus y into x minus y. That means 2 into x plus y into minus x square plus xy minus y square. Now if you take minus 1 common from the expression in the second bracket, we have minus of 2 into x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, so which is equal to minus 2 into, it has a formula x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, which is equal to x cube minus y cube. So value of the determinant is this 2 minus 2 into x cube minus y cube. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is evaluate delta equal to 1, 1, 1, x, x plus y, x, y, y, x plus y. Okay, now with the help of the first row, make this and this element 0 by using this transformation, this operation, that R2 dot equal to R2 minus R1, R3 dot equal to R3 minus R1. So look, the first row will be 1 x y, second row will be 0 y 0, and third row will be 0 0 and x. Now if you multiply, expand the determinant along the first column, so it will be 1 into y into x minus 0, and remaining the entry will be 0. So the answer is x into y. So value of the determinant is x into y. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 11. Question number 11. So question number 11 is using properties of determinant, prove that alpha square, beta plus gamma, beta square, alpha plus gamma, gamma square, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, that equal to. Okay, first do operation C1 dot equal to C1 C3 dot equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, C3 dot equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we have alpha, beta, gamma, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, and it will be alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. We can see that we can take alpha plus beta plus gamma common from the third column. So alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha, beta, gamma, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, 1 1 1. Okay, now apply this operation alpha plus beta plus gamma. Apply this operation that R2 dot equal to R2 minus R1, R3 dot equal to R3 minus R1. We have the first row is alpha square, 1, beta minus alpha, beta square minus alpha square, 0, gamma minus alpha, gamma square minus alpha square, and 0. Okay, or delta equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into means a determinant of alpha, beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, alpha square. Now beta square minus alpha square can be written in the form beta plus alpha into beta minus alpha. Similarly, gamma plus alpha into gamma minus alpha, and here it is 1 0 0. Now from the second row and a third row we can take beta minus alpha and gamma minus alpha common. So beta minus alpha into gamma minus alpha, then the remaining determinant will be alpha 1 1, alpha square, beta plus alpha, gamma plus alpha, and 1 0 0. Now expand this determinant along the third column. We have alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus alpha into gamma minus alpha into beta plus gamma plus alpha minus beta minus alpha. Alpha and alpha will cancel each other. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma, beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, gamma minus beta. Now if we rearrange the result according to the given problem, so beta minus gamma, take minus 1 common from here, gamma minus alpha and alpha minus beta, and minus 1 common from this. So we have minus 1 whole square, alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta, gamma minus alpha, gamma beta minus gamma, and hence proved. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 12. Question number 12 is this determinant, let delta equal to the given determinant x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, 1 plus px square, 1 plus py, not cube, y cube, 1 plus p z cube. We have to prove this is equal to 1 into 1 plus p of x y z minus x minus y, y minus z, z minus. Okay. Now look, see this, we know a property that this type of determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinant by x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, 1, 1, 1 plus x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, and px square, x cube, py cube, pz cube. Now from the second determinant, we can take x common from the first row, y common from the second row, and z common from the third row. Then we have x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, 1, 1, 1 plus, if I take x common from the first row, y common from the second row, and z common from the third row, we have 1 x, also p. So 1x px square, 1 y py square, 1 z p z square. Now from the third row, third column, take p common. So if we take p common from the third row, so it will be this. Okay. Now this determinant can be written in the form 1, 1, 1 x, y, z, x square, y square, z square plus p x, y, z, determinant of 1, 1, 1 x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. That means from this determinant we can write 1 plus p x, y, z into determinant of 1, 1, 1 x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. And in previous questions we have solved this type of a problem, this type of example, this type of problem. Okay, so I am leaving the question here. I hope you can solve this problem from here. Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 13. Question number 13 is, let delta equal to 3a minus b plus a minus c plus a minus a plus B, 3B minus C plus B. This is minus A plus C minus B plus C and 3C. We have to prove this is equal to 3 into A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Now look, if you do an operation like that, C1 dot equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So first entry will be 3A plus this plus this. So 3A minus 2A, that will be A plus B plus C. So it will be A plus B plus C. Similarly, this entry will be A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. And my remaining entry will be as usual same. C plus B minus A plus C minus of B plus C and 3C. Now take A plus B plus C common from the first column. Then we have A plus B plus C, 1, 1, 1, minus A plus B, 3B, minus C plus B, minus A plus C, minus of B plus C, 3C. Now, if you apply again the operation, that means delta equal to, if we apply a operation that R2 dot equal to R2 minus R1, R3 dot equal to R3 minus R1, we have 1, 0, 0 minus of A plus B. This will be 3B minus of A minus B, means it will be 2B plus A, and this will be minus C plus B minus of A plus B, means A minus C. This entry will be a minus of A plus C, that will be minus of B minus plus C plus A minus C. So A minus B and 3C minus of this, so A plus 2C, A plus 2C. Okay, so this is the if we apply this operation, so value of this determinant will be up to this. Now now expand the determinant along the first column. If we expand the determinant along the first column, then we have A plus B plus C into 2B plus A, 2C plus A minus of A minus C, A minus B. Now expand this, that is A plus B plus C into, this is 4BC plus 2AB plus 2AC plus A square minus A square plus AB plus AC minus BC. So plus A square and minus A square will cancel each other. That means A plus B plus C into, look, this is 2AB and this AB, that is 3AB. 2AC plus CC means 3AC. 4BC minus BC means 3BC. So if we take 3 common from this bracket, so we have 3 into A plus B plus C into AB plus AC plus BC, and hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so up to question number 3 we are doing we have done today, and in the next class we'll solve the remaining problem. Okay, thank you.